Audio
The
Jungle.
monkey is a clever beast. Monkeys live all
Audio
over the
Jungle.
world and come in a varieties of shapes and sizes.
Audio Jungle.
Monkeys are interesting
Audio
creatures.
Jungle.
Almost everyone knows its activity and intelligence.
Audio Jungle.
There are over
Audio
260
Jungle.
species of monkeys, including apes, lemurs, and terriers.
Audio Jungle.
Their
Audio
personalities
Jungle.
and habits capture the attention of humans on many levels. These
Audio Jungle.
intelligent animals
Audio
with
Jungle.
opposable thumbs live in family groups too. Monkeys are chiefly
Audio
found
Jungle.
in tropical
Audio
countries.
Jungle.
Hence, we find them in India, Africa, and South America.
Audio
In
Jungle.
India, they are found in great number in Haridwar, Varanasi, Lindwar,
Audio Jungle.
Ayodhya, and
Audio
so
Jungle.
on. Sometimes they are seen on hilltops. Example in Shimla
Audio
and
Jungle.
Puri.
Audio Jungle.
The most peculiar feature that one finds in the monkey is the art of limitation.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
That is why its habit is counted half human. Once he says something,
Audio Jungle.
it
Audio Jungle.
tries to copy it. It is therefore catch and tend.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Monkey Day is an unofficial international holiday celebrated on 14th
Audio
December.
Jungle. Audio Jungle.
It is celebrated worldwide and often also known as World Monkey Day
Audio
and
Jungle.
International
Audio
Monkey
Jungle.
Day. Many zoos hold annual Monkey Day events. Some of these events focus on
Audio
educational
Jungle. Audio
events
Jungle.
about monkeys. Ah,
Audio Jungle.
there
Audio
are
Jungle.
around 1 to 2 billion monkeys living in the world, in which 5 million monkeys are in
Audio
India.
Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The pygmy marmoset is very smallest monkey and the largest monkey is the
Audio
mandarin.
Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The main habits of monkeys is grassland, high planar areas,
Audio
trees
Jungle.
and forests.
Audio Jungle.
However, they have started living in cities and towns also. When too many monkeys move in a group, their around is called as
Audio
a
Jungle.
crop. The speed of monkey is
Audio
55 km per hour
Audio Jungle.
when it runs on trees as well as
Audio
on other things such as poles,
Audio Jungle.
where spikes it is.
Audio Jungle.
Monkey uses all its four legs to run fast. They can jump and swim from
Audio
one
Jungle.
end to another end. Capuchin monkeys are considered
Audio
to
Jungle.
be the smartest
Audio Jungle.
almost all monkeys. They have the ability to learn new skills.
Audio Jungle.
Monkeys are also
Audio
kept
Jungle.
in zoo. Madari in India is a person who shows monkey tricks
Audio
and
Jungle.
earn their
Audio
livelihood.
Jungle.
Monkeys have importance in Hindu religion.
Audio Jungle.
Lord Human
Audio Jungle.
is considered as the monkey god who assisted Lord Ram
Audio
in
Jungle.
victory over Lanka.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.